you doing? Grand rising, happy soul to everyone. I hope you are all good, safe. Yeah, it's better like this. I hope everyone is good. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please join the family. My name is Cecilia at Cici, and I talk about spirituality, African spirituality, yeah, and other spirituality. Holistic lifestyle. I forgot. Yeah, I'm going to leave it in there. Holistic lifestyle, health tips, lifestyle, mental mindset, manifesting tips. So if you are interested, and sometimes I talk about fashion, I talk about spiritual tools like pendulums, gemstones, crystals, everything. So if you are interested in all that and to find your path, your spiritual journey, stay here, subscribe, and join the family. I will leave my Instagram account. I sell crystals as well, crystals and gemstones, like those. Those are tiger eyes bracelet, and some another tiger eye, and this is crackwort. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing them, whether you are in France or outside, you can link up. I will leave the link to my Instagram. It's dedicated only to the gemstones and other spiritual tools. And I have another Instagram that I post my life there. So if you are interested, and I'm active on both, so you can DM me any message, spiritual message, encouragement, anything you want to know, or any topic you want me to talk about. So follow me on Instagram. I will leave in the description box. Thank you for joining, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so that you get the notification each time I upload new videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and always let's interact in the comment section. Thank you. So today on the every week I channel message the week ahead for from our ancestors, our guidance, source, universe, Christ. You can put whatever energy that goes with your soul. I like to put ancestors. You do you. Put whatever source energy that is okay with your soul. Okay. So today I'm going to channel message of encouragement. We need it. So it's not gonna focus it's going to be a general encouragement on our financial situation, our love life, all the energies that are around us, whatever worries we are in, whatever thing that is draining us, holding us. I want to ask this message of encouragement for you to be able to stay strong and to stay positive, to be aligned, to vibrate on the same level of your manifestation. So I will start with the oracle, and normally it's the other way around. I start with the tarot and I will end with the oracle, but I'm starting with the oracle, and we are using this. Okay. I go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so the first one that came, I'm trying. So this is the first one. Just look, before I read the message, look at the artwork. How beautiful can this be? Beautiful. Have you seen the moon? Awakening. An energetic upgrade. Energetic upgrade. A new way of being. Integration. Awakening. Energetic upgrade. High vibration. A new way of being. Integration. So we I keep seeing the color violet. Yeah, you for all of us who are spiritually awakening or those who are questioning, and when I said whenever you start questioning something, it means it have already started. The awakening have started already. And you are vibrating on a higher, different, total energy. So you don't have to argue when people are not in the same page with you. And that can also be some difficulties or challenge that we may face. Because when you are spiritually awake, you see things the way they are. You see things differently. And sometimes it may really get on your nerves when people keep like talking about like you seeing the way they are and they see the way the society want them to see. So sometimes it can be a little bit so you have to shift your energy from that kind of conversation to focus on the not on the positive, but in what you believe, what your intuition guiding you, want you to see or believe. You are on total energy, different energy, so you cannot vibrate with others. Not on the positive note, like you vibrate higher. So you're good. And the second one is the priestess. So we are talking about awakening, and here the priestess. Priestess, how are you being called to step up and lead? Priestess, how are you being called to step up and lead? And as I said earlier, all the argument is going nowhere. You don't need to argue with anyone. For those who don't understand, for example, I always take a situation example. For those who are taking the African spirituality, the voodoo, hoodoo, akooooo, any form, the orishas, any form of African spirituality. It's not common, and it's not really well accepted. And if you are from a Christian or any other background, it's really considered demoniac, like it's devilish, satanic worships, etc. So those who bring up those arguments, shift your energy. It's not going to serve you. And sometimes in our intention is to enlighten them, to explain to them what they really are, that they are not satanic or they are not devilish as the Bible or Christianism have make us believe, or the society have make us believe. It's your heritage, it's your ancestors, it's your DNA. That just it's your DNA, it's what you are, it's who you are. You are your ancestors, and your ancestors are you. You are one with them. You align with them. So priestess, how are you being called to step up? So those arguments is draining. It's not worth it. Step up. Give them a beautiful smile. Move on. Change the topic. And it could be anything. Anything that is not serving you, is bringing your energy down. That person that each time they call you, after the conversation, you are drained. You are dead. You need to rest. You need to like call back energy. Like you are drained. You are dead. You are gone. You need to step up. You need to shift. You need to protect your energy, your environment. So, for example, if that person calls you, you cannot cut ties with them. I don't know the reason, but let's just say you can't. Or your work environment. Each time you step in that place, call your guides, your angels, your ancestors to protect you, to guide your energy. No energy vampire is allowed into your space. So even when they are talking to you, your ancestors have built a wall. So it's like you are here and there's a wall and they are on the other side. So you hear them, but their energy is not penetrating into your space. So those are the encouraging message of the week. Stay strong. You are being called to step up, to take the lead. High priest and priestesses out there. Yeah. And I keep saying Violet. Maybe it's the week. In the card I have a lot of Violet as well. I keep saying Violet, but the card have that Violet energy. So we should wear something violet. And violet also reminds me of the third eye. So we should meditate. And to be sincere, when a lot of people, when we hear meditate, like we need to stay hours calm. No. Because for example, for me personally, I cannot concentrate for a long time. So you can start with 5 minutes. Let me share. There's something that I learned. Let me share with you. 5 minutes of gratitude. 5 minutes of silence each day, if you can, or at least once a week. 5 minutes of gratitude. All that you are grateful for, all that you are thankful, all that you have. And are manifesting, all that's already here, all that is happening, all that is coming. 5 minutes of things that you're grateful, thankful for. And another 5 minutes, silent. You put your phone on silent mode. You can put a chronometer, something to monitor, a monitor. And 5 minutes for silence. Just stay calm. If you can stay in the toilet, anywhere that you can, any space that you can have your peace of mind. 5 minutes. You stay calm. Even when you stay calm, there will be thoughts. But the important is listen. What are those thoughts that keep popping in your head? What are you focusing on? But just keep calm. Don't talk to anyone for 5 minutes. Try to do this every week, every day. And if you can, at least minimum, please once a week. 5 minutes of gratitude, 5 minutes of silence. And when you send gratitude out there, those 5 minutes, listen what message are you receiving. So it's a total of 10 minutes of meditation, 5 minutes of gratitude, 5 minutes of silence, 5 minutes of silence, 5 minutes of gratitude. So that is it. Piao. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Amen. Blessings and serenity, peacefulness to you all, family. So today, I forgot to add the tarot. So today, I'm going to go with only the major arcana. Fortune, wheel of fortune. And in the French, or I think also in English, fortune, word, abundance, prosperity. I like to knock. Akooooo. So if you have understood, whenever you say akooooo, like you are knocking a door and your ancestors open the door for you to receive the message. That's why I always say akooooo. So today, those are the minor arcanas, but as I said, it's encouraging message of the week, so I'm going with the major arcanas. Thank you. The moon. We have the moon. Reflection. You meditate. It's the same code note. It's a French, I don't know how to say it. Yeah, it's the same as meditating, reflection, what is going on in there, upstairs, in your head, in your mind, in your heart. What are the your subconscious, what have been the energy that, everything is energy, that's why I keep saying energy. What are the energy that you have stuck in there? What the facade? If you remove the mask, not corona mask, if you remove the mask, la façade, si tu enlèves ce façade que t'as mis, you know, that facade that pleases everyone, that everyone knows you for. If you remove it, your inner self, your divine self, the real you, what is it telling you? So that's it for the week. You need to reflect. You need to focus inward, your inner emotions, not what others see. When you are really you, your nakedness. When you are totally you, what are your thoughts? What are the words? What are the feel? How does it feel like to be the real you? The world needs the real you, so you need to bring it out. You need to listen, pay attention to your intuition, so I share blessings, and I would like to give a word of thankfulness, gratitude to your ancestors, my ancestors, our ancestors, and source of life, God Almighty. We are grateful for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye-bye.